Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to dropship from AliExpress to Shopify. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to connect those two platforms. And to connect those two platforms, you need to install special application. The most popular one for that is Deezers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So first of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, then open App Store or Google Play and install Deezers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Deezers. Now head over to AliExpress and browse for a product that you would like to sell. And with Deezers, you can import that product to your Deezers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live. So you can change the title, change pricing, edit description, and even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. Finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Deezers to your Shopify store, and it instantly will appear as a part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Deezers will automatically place an order with the AliExpress supplier, fill in your customer's shipping address, and track shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory yourself because it's all handled by the AliExpress supplier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.